Hey everybody, I'm Chef Tom with atbbq.com. Now, one of the really cool things about this job that I have, creating recipe content and sharing it with all of you, is I get to hear back from a lot of you, from all over the place, and certainly in all different climates. And with that in mind, I wanted to talk to you guys today about a product that's gonna help out a lot of our cold weather smokers. We're talking about the Thermal Jacket for the Yoder Smokers YS640 and YS480 pellet grills. The Thermal Jacket comes in 3 pieces and it's super easy to install, whether you're installing it on a 640 or a 480, the backyard style or the competition cart. Now, to get this Thermal Jacket installed, the first thing we're gonna do is take off this front shelf and open up the lid. The first piece covers the front of the grill and it's got 2 little tabs that hang over this lip. Now we can close this. We're gonna put our next piece on. So this will slip right over the handle, kind of gonna pull this down about as far as I can. And we've got 3 tabs, 1, 2, 3, and make sure those stay pushed up. And then we've got the back piece. It's gonna slide right underneath our counterweight. We're gonna pull it all the way forward and then insert these tabs down the line. Give them a twist to lock them in place. You've got straps on either side that are gonna go around now. This is a competition cart. It requires a longer strap, but it comes with both longer and shorter straps. We'll latch that in and wait to tighten it until we get the other side latched as well. We get the second strap latched, pull that tight around the corner. Make sure that other side's tight as well. That's it, too easy. Cooking in cold weather creates all kinds of different problems that you don't experience during the summer. For example, your grill has to work harder to maintain a proper temperature when it's colder outside. And because of that cold, you're gonna end up burning more pellets. So that's where this Thermal Jacket really comes in handy. The jacket's gonna insulate your grill to make sure that 1, you're not burning as many pellets, and 2, your temperature is more stable. Now let's hear from some customers that live in more extreme climates. My personal favorite here is from Johnny, who lives in Boulder, Colorado, and was burning up beach towels and blankets left and right trying to keep his smoker warm. Bought one of these Thermal Jackets, and it turns out cut his pellet consumption in half. Bottom line, the Thermal Jacket's gonna keep you cooking on your pellet grill year round, and it's gonna save you some money in the meantime. Now, as always, you can check out the Thermal Jacket and all the other products you see featured on this channel at atbbq.com. All things barbecue, where barbecue legends are made.